Welcome everyone. This is the first video of what will be a weekly foreign exchange market update. I'll be covering currency pairs that are on my watch list and the positions that I actually take throughout the week. My style of trading is mainly swing trading with positions taken on the daily chart with additional confluence on the 4-hour and 1-hour timeframes. This week will be an overview of the Euro Kiwi, which closed out at 3.5%. Let's get started. So if we start on the monthly chart, we can build the story of how price action has been moving over the years. Straight away I can see that the 1.7,000 zone has been a huge support and resistance level from 2005 right up to the current year 2018. More recently, from 2013, we can see that price has started to form a huge head and shoulders pattern with the right shoulder currently forming. This isn't the basis for my trade, but it's critical to gain a higher time frame perspective of price movement. If we move down to the weekly chart, we can see that price has been creeping towards the 2017 high of 1.7300 level and has been rejected a number of times. We've also been respecting an ascending trend line which started to form in January of 2017. To this day, this hasn't been violated. From the daily chart, price has been ranging since the beginning of the year with no real directional movement or trend. We've seen price retrace back down to the trend line in the 200 EMA, which has been a springboard for a bullish run, only to be rejected at key resistance. The last piece of the puzzle for me is price once again making higher ground to retest this level with price deceleration and a doji candle forming. Now, I don't just take a trade based off this, there has to be additional factors that I take into consideration, one being bearish divergence on the MACD. This gives us a very high probability of lower prices forming. From a trade management perspective, stops were above the high of the doji and targets at the retest of the 50 EMA. For me, this was a 3.5% gain. If we can break and close below the 1.69700 level, I anticipate price making its way back to test the trend line once again and the 200 EMA, which on the weekly chart is where the 20 EMA is currently sitting.